Hello, this is Matthew with Jane Air Conditioning. We've got some duct work here that I want to show you. This is something you can identify pretty easily by the gray barrier here, and it just says Owens Corning fiberglass like that on the side. And this is a product that you have to have removed from your home if you're getting your air conditioning system replaced. It's got this fiberglass, it's got this plasticky stuff that gets real brittle, but that's really not the worst part. The inside of the duct has got this mesh here that obviously isn't airtight. This stuff breaks apart and the air just leaks out of the ductwork. And then if you look down in there, I mean, there you go. You can see all that dust. That just builds up inside the ductwork. Just standing here, handling this stuff, it gets into your nose and your throat, makes you want to cough. It's really just a nasty, nasty product. So you'll have your air will be pumping through this stuff. You'll have, 50, 60, 70 feet of ductwork in your home that air's passing through, and it's just this. The porous liner here, let me get you a nice close look on that. The porous liner is not airtight. And it will, and the state of California says you can't have a porous core duct anymore. That's one. But the reason you don't want it in your home, outside of what the government says, is it's filthy, nasty, it's not energy efficient, it's really a bad product. So if you've got this type of product in your home, it's highly recommended you have it removed.